everyone, my name is Atiksh. I study in grade 1. Today I am going to show you my plant journey book. Plant journey. How to grow plants. So step 1, how to grow plants. Dig the soil. This one or this one, you can copy both or else. Step 2. Plant the seed. You have to make a hole, like I told, dig the soil, you have to make a hole, then the soil is dig, so you have to now put the seed inside that hole. Cover the soil. It's like this, or like this. It's like when the seeds are inside, and now you have to put the soil back on that, and then water it. Means after covering it, water it with water. Important for a plant to grow to a big tree or a plant to stay like that, but your plant will start to grow like this or like this. So means after some time your plant will grow like this. Like this. Okay, so the last page is my big plant. Do you like my plant journey book?